Why is my Dish Remote TV2 not working?
Hello there. Today, we're going to discuss an issue that's been bothering many Dish users. Why is my Dish Remote TV2 not working? Troubleshooting your Dish Remote TV2 can be a daunting task if you're unsure of the steps to take. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in.
Is your remote in good shape?
Firstly, you need to check your remote itself. Does it look physically damaged? Are the buttons responding correctly? Is the battery life sufficient? A lot of remote issues can be attributed to these basic problems. Replace batteries if needed or consider getting a new remote if it's physically damaged.
Are you in the right mode?
A common mistake is not having the remote in the right mode. To control your dish receiver, your remote needs to be in the SAT mode. If it's in the TV or aux mode, it might not work as expected.
Have you tried a power cycle?
Sometimes, simply performing a power cycle can help. This means turning off your dish receiver and TV, unplugging them from the power outlet, waiting for about 10 seconds, then plugging them back in and turning them on. This can often fix minor technical glitches.
Is there a connection issue?
The Dish TV2 remote operates on a UHF, ultra-high frequency, signal, which means it's not necessary to point it directly at your receiver. However, if there are obstacles or the distance is too great, the signal may not reach your receiver. Try moving closer or removing obstacles and see if this resolves the issue.
Have you tried repairing your remote?
Finally, if all else fails, you might need to repair your remote with your dish receiver. You can do this by pressing the System Info button on the front of the receiver and then pressing the SAT button on your remote until it gives a response. We hope this step-by-step guide helps you troubleshoot and fix your Dish Remote TV2 not working issue. Remember, there is no one-size-fits-all solution. You might need to try a few different things to get your remote back to working condition. And if you still have trouble, don't hesitate to reach out to Dish support for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and happy troubleshooting!